Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel.
Yes, I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
I don't know if I like this. I thought this was cute in the background, but now I'm feeling like it's not very cute. Ugly vibes. Hi loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button below and become part of the pretty pink. Oh no. Merry Pinkmas everyone. Today's Christmas Day and I decided that I would like to make some Christmas cocktails with you guys. If you haven't already, please check the description box below where all of my social media will be linked there so you can follow me and we can be friends. I post tons of pink girly content on my Instagram, so if that's something you're interested in, definitely check me out. And don't forget to click the bell notification to be notified every time I post a video. Don't mind me if I sound a little nasally. I have a borderline extreme sinus infection that I've been fighting. Okay, so I am gonna put a little twist on these drinks myself. I got these recipes off of Pinterest. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not really a big drinker, so like I drink a lot of wine, but I don't drink like heavy drinks. So they do have a lot of different mixtures of alcohol in these drinks, and because I'm not a huge drinker, I'm gonna modify them to my liking or my capability, my ability to handle them. I'm also going to be using some Tito's vodka. I do well with vodka. A lot of these recipes have tequila in it and I do not do well with tequila. I will be on the counter popping my ass. I have everything that I need already laid out for these drinks. So the first thing I have is some cranberries here. These are fresh cranberries. You can also use frozen cranberries, will work just as well. I actually like the frozen cranberries better because it gives the drink sort of this like cool frozen taste to them, but we're just going to be using these as garnish, so that's totally 100% fine to do fresh or frozen, up to you. I have some fresh mint leaves. The recipe does call for limes, but I'm going to be using lemons because I have a full bag of lemons in my fridge that I need to use up before they go bad, so we're going to use lemon instead. And then any garnish that you would like. I have some of these candy cane garnishes. They're individually wrapped. I got these from the Dollar Tree and we're just going to use those to decorate the glass. And then you're also going to need some sugar. You can use regular plain white crystal sugar. I'm going to be using some confection sugar. This is like the powdered sugar. The reason why I'm going to be using this one is because I feel like powdered sugar looks more like snow, and I know like everyone decorates their glass with like regular sugar, but I think it'll look so much more wintry if it was like the confection sugar. We're going to try it, we're going to see, we're going to find out. You're also going to need some coconut water. I just picked up this from Ralph's. This is the Goya coconut water. You're also going to need coconut milk, which I couldn't find any coconut milk, but I do have almond milk in my fridge, so I might just substitute the almond milk for this. And you're gonna need some cranberry juice, and you're also gonna need some ginger ale. So that is what we're gonna be working with today. Oh, and then you're also gonna need ice if you like your drinks chilled. I'm not gonna put any ice in mine. And then you're also going to need some sorbet. I'm using the rainbow colored sorbet, so the green, the lime, raspberry, and orange. I'm going to move you guys down so you can kind of see what I'm doing, so you can get an idea of how to make the drink. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, love, so the first drink we're going to make is the Green Grinch drink. This drink is going to be so cute. I am obsessed with the Grinch. I love the Grinch, especially Baby Grinch. So I could talk to you guys about this all day. Hopefully we don't get drunk off of all these drinks because it is like 12 o'clock in the afternoon and I do want to like not pass out too early on Christmas, but we'll see how that goes. You guys can see I'm still at home, so I have not gone to New York. There was an update video updating you guys on all that, so check out that video so you can find out why I'm still here. And then the next drink we're gonna make is the White Christmas Mojito. That just sounds good, girl. We're also going to attempt to make the Moscow Mule drink. This is a very popular drink for Christmas. So I really want to try it because I've heard a lot of people trying this drink for Christmas. So I thought it would be a great Christmas drink to try out. Okay, you guys, so the first one we're gonna make is this Green Grinch drink, and I'm gonna be using this Tito's vodka. You guys can use tequila if you like. That is what the recipe calls for, but I myself I do not do well with tequila, so I'm gonna stick to my Tito's. And I already poured some of that in this glass here, and I just kind of eyeball it. It says about like 2/3 of a cup. I just kind of pour as much as I like in there, and because I know how much I can handle. So I have that in there, and then we're going to mix in some ginger ale. Ooh. Just put the glass here, pour in some ginger ale. And I'm gonna pour this until it's about like half a cup. There. And then you're gonna take some sorbet. You can put as much as you want in there. I'm just gonna put 2 teaspoons of green sorbet. I like mine kind of thick, like icy almost like. So I'm gonna put a couple of spoonfuls in there until the glass is full. You can kind of measure it out for yourself and see what you like. There's that. Woo! It's so pretty. And then we're gonna take some cranberry garnish. Just gonna take this cranberry garnish, and we're going to stick some cranberries on top. That is so nice, you guys. Oh my god. So I will put up on the screen what it looks like from the top. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because that's where I'm gonna post like majority of these videos. I will show you guys how this looks on Instagram because it is so beautiful. You see the green. Oh my god. We're gonna be using this little straw here, and yeah, ooh, that's so cute. Here's what it looks like on Pinterest. You see how they have the lime? You can totally add a lime on the side. I went ahead and garnished it with my cranberries here, and then the straw, which is totally super cute. And they went with more of an icy type of a drink. They added the ice and they blended it. I skipped that part because I just didn't want to drink an icy drink right now because my teeth are super sensitive. Okay guys, so that was the first drink. Now we're going to go into our next drink. The next one we're gonna do is the White Christmas Mojito. I believe this does call for, this calls for rum. I don't drink rum. I don't drink dark liquors because I want to be conscious and sane, and I don't want to end up like in a nut house or like passed out in the street. So I don't do rum, but we're gonna make it, and we're gonna use a little bit of the vodka. It says you're gonna need lime juice, mint leaves. We're gonna use our lemons, mint leaves. We have mint leaves here. Pomegranate arils. We're not going to use pomegranate pieces. We're just going to go ahead and use the cranberries. I feel like those are more festive than pomegranates. You're going to need coconut milk. I told you guys I didn't have coconut milk, and it's going to be unsweetened. I'm going to use coconut water, and I might add some of my almond milk. You're going to need a teaspoon of sugar. You're going to need a sparkling water, and we're going to use ginger ale. You're going to need coconut rum and white rum. I'm just going to use the Tito's vodka, okay? And we're going to use some Tito's vodka. I'm going to pour a little bit because I put a little bit too much in that Grinch drink, and I kind of hate myself for that because now I can't drink it. It was way too strong. So I'm going to put about a little bit, like that much in here. Because I don't, like I said, I don't want to be drunk. Like that Grinch drink, I'm telling you, you will be drunk on that Grinch drink. Now I'm gonna add in some coconut water. How's everyone's year going so far? I hope everyone's doing better. If you guys watched my last vlog, you saw my update. pretty bad update. Like, I'm just gonna use some almond milk instead of coconut milk. Pour that in there. Ooh. A couple thirds of that. That. And I'm gonna put a little bit more coconut water in there. Again, you guys, you can totally use whatever you want to use. Instead, put some lemon in there. So we're gonna cut a lemon. And I'm gonna put just a little bitty squirt of this in there. Just like that. Because I'm not feeling too citrusy today, I'm gonna stir it with this. Then we're going to add some cranberries in. Hopefully they don't sink to the bottom. Woo! They're sitting on top just like we want it. Just add a few of these in. And we're gonna take some mint leaf. Just a little bit of that. And stick that in there. Wow. Wow, 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 you guys. Like, this is so cute. I should be a bartender. Mr. Bartender! Add a candy cane. I'm gonna take a little candy cane garnish and just set it. That is so freaking cute. Like, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Okay, you guys, so here was the white Christmas drink, and we're gonna try that at the end. Last drink is the Moscow Mule. This is the one I'm so excited about. So you need 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of cranberry juice, ginger beer, lime juice, cranberries, and rosemary for garnish. We're gonna use our mint leaf and our cranberries for garnish, and we're gonna substitute our lemons for lime, and that's it. We have everything else we need. We're gonna go ahead and take some confection sugar, and I'm gonna get a plate. Just a little saucer plate to pour the confection sugar onto. Ooh, you guys, doesn't that look like snow? Like, that is so cute. We could have put some of this on top of the white drink, but it's okay. So there, and then we're gonna take a lemon. You can totally use a lime. I'm just a lemon girl today. And we're gonna skew the edges. You could totally use plain regular sugar as well. I'm just using this sugar. Ooh. Need some more sugar. Just dip the corners in on it is what I'm trying to do. So I hope everyone's having a really good Christmas. Okay, I see why people don't really use this sugar, because it melts super fast. That's the problem with this sugar. But hey, like, please. It looks more like snow to me than the other sugar. Okay, so now that we have the glass all snowed out, that's so cute. Now we're gonna add our Tito's vodka. Again, you can use tequila if you like, but this recipe does call for vodka. I'm just gonna use a little bit. Not trying to kill myself, I'm not trying to be drunk. You're gonna add in some cranberry juice to about halfway full the glass, I think. That's good. And then we're gonna also add some ginger beer in there. What's the difference between ginger ale and ginger beer? Somebody comment below and let me know. Okay, super cute. And now we're gonna add a little squirt of lemon in the drink. just a couple squirts. And that's it. That's what we have. And then we're also going to add some cranberries for garnish. And some mint leaves. How cute. I'm just going to stick this whole mint leaf in there like that. Oh shit. Like what did I just do? I'm sorry guys. I'm going to have to turn up the lighting just so I can get a good photo, okay? For Instagram, okay? Okay, you guys, that was it. That was all of the drinks. So let me get you guys up so I can stand up and we can try them all and I'll tell you guys what I think. Okay guys, so here are what the drinks came out looking like. They're super, super cute. Okay, loves, I hope you guys enjoyed making these Christmas cocktails with me. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite cocktail and if you tried any of them out. I do plan on doing a pink cocktails video in the future. Maybe we'll do pink cocktails for New Year's. Ooh, yes! Pink cocktails for New Year's. This is the White Christmas. It's good. I really like the White Christmas. It has like it looks like white snowy Christmas, but then it tastes like coconut and ginger. So it kind of gives you like this Malibu beach feel, like you're on the beach, like maybe Christmas vacation is what that drink reminds me of. This is the, what is this one? The Moscow Mule. Ooh, that one's very refreshing. It's good because like it has a lot of tart because of the cranberries and because of the ginger beer and the lemon that we put in it. But then you have this sugary sweet lining of the glass. It just makes it taste so much good, just adds an extra pop into it. So absolutely love that. The mint is very subtle, but I think that's what's really adding that refreshing taste to it. So I really do like this one. This is probably my favorite so far. Yeah, I really like how the bitter, the sweet, and the sour combined, just on your taste buds, it's just like. And then we're gonna try the Green Grinch one. This one you guys can make as a frozen drink. I just decided not to add any ice or make it frozen. Woo! This one's good too. It's very refreshing with the lime sorbet. I did go a little heavy on the lime sorbet. I would say don't go as heavy as I did because otherwise the drink will be super, super sweet. And you definitely want to balance those flavors out. But other than that, I really like all of them. My favorite, however, is the Moscow Mule, which is kind of shocking. I thought that I would like the White Christmas a little bit better because of the ingredients in the White Christmas. I feel like are ingredients that I really love. But yeah, that Moscow Mule kicked my butt. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up drinking all of my drinks. I hope you guys have a wonderful Pinkmas. Merry Pinkmas to you all. I hope you have a wonderful holiday. I hope you and your family are safe and well and happy this holiday season. I can't wait to see you guys in the new year. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you loves in the next video. Bye! Bye guys.